In this video, I will demonstrate how to create a customizable log file for your specific needs. For this demonstration, we will use a new test case. Assuming you are familiar with creating test cases, let's proceed with the steps to create a customizable log file. To begin, go to the Settings menu and locate the Log Settings option. Click on it to access the Log Settings interface. Here, you can create a new log configuration by selecting the Create New option. Customize the log settings according to your requirements. You have different modes to choose from, such as Error Mode, Debug Mode, Info Mode, and Disable Mode. For this demo, I will choose Debug Mode for an IS, RRC, and PHY layer. Edit the log settings as desired, ensuring that you use the same IS, RRC, and PHY file as the log settings reference. Save the modified test case and restart it for the changes to take effect. Once the test case is running, you will be registered with the network. To view the logs, go to the logger and apply relevant filters. In this example, we have enabled logging for files, NES, RRC, and PHY, while disabling logging for PDCP, IP, RLC, and MAC. By following these steps, you can create your own customized log files tailored to specific instances or requirements. Thank you for watching the video.